Hi guys, today I'll be showing us how to install a WordPress template on a PC. Now let us begin. So on our dashboard, or rather our WordPress dashboard, we'll go to Appearance, or we're going to select Themes. Once we do that, this window will open and we'll get to see all the default themes that came with our WordPress installation. You can also click on Add New Themes to see what WordPress has in its repository. What you would do is go back to your PC where the template was downloaded and unzip it. And after unzipping, you have to open the folder to see what's inside. Theme folder there. And you look for the particular theme which you just unzipped. It's also come in a zip file again, and you have to extract it. If we're on a live hosting, we would be able to just install it directly, or rather upload it directly to unzip it there. But on our PC, we'll do the unzipping ourselves. So after doing that, you copy the file you just unzip. First, you check if all the attributes are there, and if those attributes are there, you have to copy your theme. You have to always double check to see if all the attributes are available before you copy. So the next step is for you to copy. Locate your local disk. When it's open, you locate your WARM64. When it opens, you locate your www. And when it opens, you go to the database which you have already created, which is tutorial. Check the attributes, you go to WP content, and you look for themes. Click on it. Now you'd see those default themes that came when you installed WordPress. And the next thing is for you to paste the template or rather theme which you just unzipped. Wait for it to be completed. Now the template has successfully copied. You have to go back to your dashboard, which is your WordPress dashboard, and you locate your themes in Appearance, and you can see that the theme or rather the template which we just installed is there within our Appearance window. So it's there, and the next step is for you to activate. Once you've activated the template or rather the theme, you would see an option that says begin installing plugin above, or rather begin installing plugins above. There are plethora of plugins, and in our next class I will show you guys how to install plugins on your WordPress website. Alright guys, and this is the end of the tutorial for today. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial, and have a lovely day.